Okay, upcoming is the second garage find Cobra replica. I'm going to show you now. That's the 427 right there. This is the small block. These are both factory 5 kits built by a master technician. This guy did quality work. That's all I can tell you. These cars are like new, super low miles. This one has 216 miles on it, although it's probably 5 years old if I had to guess. Maybe 6. They've sat covered inside his garage since new. His thrill was building them and occasionally taking them out for a little cruise, but 216 miles. This is much like a brand new Cobra. And he did a masterful job with them. The paint is beautiful in these cars. 4-wheel disc brakes. Of course, your side pipes. Definitely show quality and go anywhere quality, either of the cars. Just a cool piece of history. If those taillights look like they're flashing on and off, they're only doing that because it's camera. They're cool taillights though. Single roll bar. Beautiful clean interior. We had to just knock the dust off these cars and they fired right up. They were still on battery tenders after he passed. And they run fantastic. Let's take a look under the hood. Okay, my helper. It has a little rod there. Hold it up. Okay. There you are right there. Just like new. That is not a 302, which is usually what you find in the small block Cobras. This is a big step up. It is the 351 Ford Racing V8. More power, more torque. Super easy to use, and from what I can tell here, again, if you've watched me over the years, I'm a GM guy at heart, but that looks to be a Windsor family V8, which I like better than the Cleveland personally. You can make a ton of horsepower with these little Windsors, and they take the pounding and keep on running, and they're very user friendly. They don't break. They run cool. Again, this was a beautifully done job by one man. And these two Cobras were not the first cars he ever built. So why don't we do what you like and what I like and fire it up and hear the rumble. Make sure I get you a front view. Starts first time every time. 200 and some miles right there.